is a JavaScript project which I have created from scratch. So what it does is it calculates the individual amount spent. So if this is an apartment project, let's say the apartments has some rooms, like 30 rooms. So in the sequence of 1 to 1, and in the sequence 2, and in the sequence 3, and in the sequence 4, depending upon the sequence they are charging it. So on sequence 2 it is 465, on sequence 3 it is 275, on sequence 4 it is 460, on sequence 5 it is 475, likewise sequence 6 has a 680. So these sequence in total we have 30 rooms. So after collecting the amounts, the total amount came here is 9565, and the watchman salary is 5750, and the electricity spent is 2140, and the spendings is 150 rupees. And by calculating these three, I got 1525. If I click on calculate, it shows the percentage. It shows the percentage of total. This is the electricity bill, so it calculates the electricity bill with the total amount and gives the percentage. This is the watchman salary. It calculates the watchman salary with the total amount and gives the salary percentage of watchman salary, and based on that it is repairing and it is saving. Likewise, if you see, this is the sequence 1. So we have received the percentage. So with this percentage I am calculating the 450 rupees, and I got the amount 270 rupees. Out of 450 rupees, 270 spent on watchman salary, and 100 rupees spent on electricity, and 7 rupees spent on total amount, and savings is 71 rupees of 450 rupees. Now you see, likewise we have the sequence of room. Each sequence collects different room or different maintenance amount. So fine, that's it. This is what the project does, JavaScript project.